Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Do 007 channel. Had a busy couple of days, but I'm about to get freed up to have a little bench time, and I wanted to share a couple things with you. First up, a shop card shout out for a really cool new channel, and also the direction, finally, that I've decided to go with our Tom Daniels Cherry Bomb. So, let me share that with you. Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com. First up, guys, shop card shout out for Kevin over at the Hallway Model Garage. And he is a man after my own heart, a stock car guy. Check that out, guys. Beautiful, clean work. You need to head over. This is a new channel. Just a few videos, some great shorts, as well as some slideshows as he's starting off just the way I did when I started the channel. And hey, be sure you check out the Tim Richmond Folgers car. That series is really good. He really went all out on it. Looks really, really nice. But some great stuff over here. Whether you're a stock car fan or not, hey, you can always learn something new in these videos. So go over, show him some love, check it out. Kevin, thank you so much for the kind words on the back and for the sticker. Is that not cool? All right. Kev, thanks again, buddy. Okay, getting over to the Cherry Bomb. As you know, originally this was going to be a build for the MDA show in Roanoke, and in that has been canceled for the moment. I've already got wheels in motion in my head, and I thought for that Tom Daniels theme, I'm going to go ahead and do the out-of-box one, which is going to be this one. And I'm going to do some experimentation on the trailer and the motorcycle first before I get into the main turbine-powered car. But what I decided to do, you know, I've given you guys an opportunity to help me out by picking colors and things like that. And so that came through, so I'm going to show you what the plan is, and we're going to be getting on that. This one is still sealed, and I'm going to keep that one in my stash. And if you recall, I picked up a bagged kit at the Winston-Salem show, and this thing it's a simplified kit, if you remember. I have a lot of stuff that's in the Purple Pond right now. I'm sure I put some new stuff in there the other day. Hold on. Let me grab this real quick and make sure. I think everything is stripped by now. And if you recall, yeah, everything looks good. We'll get that out and get this cleaned up and ready for some primer and paint. If you remember, I was missing a part in the bag kit. I had one part that was missing, and our brother and fellow content creator Jeff Lawless over at The Bearded Guy, Jeff Lawless sent me that part and an extra, basically a rebuild kit that had been started. So we're going to go with this, and based on what you guys told me your opinions were, the majority said that, yeah, shoot that candy red over chrome. So, and this doesn't really do it justice, but it looks kind of like a Christmas ornament. You can see my fingers reflecting in it. And this is just one of those old chrome spoons that you can buy. And I just shot the clear red over it. And it, like I said, gives it that almost, best way I can describe it is a Christmas ornament kind of reflection in there. So I'm going to give this a shot. I've never done this before, and I think I'm going to do the trailer and the motorcycle first. And we'll do the wheels and all in chrome. And just kind of like the show car would have been on this original box art, as you see here. Like it was in a show. So we'll do that. And I'm going to be doing the turbine engine is kind of cheating because, as you can see here in the instructions, well, it is if I can get them open. The turbine engine is just a flat piece, and you see it's just kind of a half of the engine, and it sits down on here. But of course, it's under a clear canopy, and it sits down in the car. But I'm going to try to dress that up a little bit with detail painting and some washes and stuff like that, get it looking good. and the chrome rear axle, all of that kind of stuff. We're gonna keep this out of box, but we're gonna try to do something really unique with the paint. There's that chopper, and I gotta admit, I love the. I've already got it glued together here. The frame, the cherry bomb gas tank. I just think that's cool. This stuff didn't go together very even, so there's going to be a lot of sanding that has to be done to round everything off, but no problem. We'll get it done, and this will be also in that candy. And by the way, this is the all-clad candy colors. Same thing that I did with the telephone booth when I mixed those, but this is just going to be the straight candy red. And other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm going to do this as clean as I can. May do something a little bit different with the trailer. I'm not sure. I've got things in my head, but as I get it together, this is a little out of my usual wheelhouse. And that interior, of course, is instead of a steering wheel, you've got these, I guess, almost like a tank, the way you would turn or drive it. But these sticks on the side, so we'll play with that stuff. The dashboard is really vague, so we're gonna have to do some really unique painting in there, to say the least, and I may just do some decal work in there. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna thin down these spokes in the wheels a little bit to get them to look a little more in scale. But I still want to keep this as out of box as absolutely possible. But a unique design. Tom Daniel had some cool stuff. But the cherry bomb, yeah, I think this will be cool too. Okay, guys, I've also got some paint and finish primer done on the 40 modified. Going to be sharing that with you here. Getting ready to spend a bit more time on it over the next couple of days too. And I'm going to get this stuff in primer as well. Okay, guys, that's it for this go round. Hope y'all have an absolutely awesome week. God bless, and we will see you in the next video.